Hello my friends, it's NG World. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to show you this amazing recipe will make your face as white as milk and will get you very spotless and glowing skin. Also, it removes wrinkles, blemishes, any kind of skin problems that you do have. Dark spots, black spots will go away, and with this magical remedy all you need to do is apply it before you sleep, and you will be amazed with the result. From first night you will use it, you will be amazed with the result. It removes all the skin problems, and it improves the skin complexion naturally. Our skin get darkened from sun and also from the cosmetics we are using, and it also appears from our diet. If we are following a bad diet habits and we're eating fast food and not nourishing foods, our skin get dull and it gets dark spots also, and it cause this to get darken in the complexion. And my friends, this magical remedy solve all these problems and will get you an amazing result from first use. But before we start out, my friends, it's a request: if it's the first time you see my channel, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way every time I upload new remedy you will be notified to watch it, and also give that video a like. Let's start with the remedy. The first ingredient we need to add is coconut oil, and here I'm using 100% pure coconut oil by Parashot. You can use any coconut oil available for you. We need to add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Then my friends, we need to add 1 teaspoon of sweet almond oil, and like I tell you, add any brand you do have. Then we need to add the most important ingredient, which is 2 capsules of vitamin E, and you can use 400 milligrams vitamin E or 1000, whichever available for you, my friends. We need to add 2 capsules. Cut the capsule like so and add the vitamin E. Like so, my friends. Now mix well all the ingredients. When we mix all the ingredients and combine it together like so, our magical oil is ready. Now before you sleep at night, dip in your fingertips like so and apply it on your face like that. Keep massaging the skin for 5 minutes, and with this finger massage the dark circles in your under your eyes like so, and massage your whole face with it. On the cheeks, massage it from down to up like that. And my friends, you will be amazed with the result. From first night you will use this oil, you will be amazed with the result. Store it and use it every night before you sleep. All you need to take is just 2 drops of this, and you will be amazed with the result. From first night you will notice a great results in your skin. The wrinkles will fade away and the dark spots will fade away as well, and you will be amazed with the result. I hope that video will help you too, my friends. Don't forget, subscribe my channel, turn on the bell icon to never miss effective remedies, leave a nice comment and give that video a big like, and I will see you in my next video. I love you guys.